Hello, yes, once again, I'm Samuel, this is the service of Schoolpesa. So this is tutorial number 5. So what we are going to cover in this tutorial, we are going to add a student to the system, to the Schoolpesa system. So we are going to add a student in and give this student a class. That is the goal of this tutorial. So to add a student, you are going to go to your portal and then you click student information and then you click student admission. So we are going to use this form to add a student. So there is so much required by the system, but then there are what we call compulsory fields that are required by the system. They are shown by this red artistic. So you are going to, these are mandatory, so we are going to add them. If you want to import, you can click this and then we shall show you the structure of the Excel format we need to import the data. This is the format. You can download the sample file using this button, and then once your file is finished, you can just select the class you want you imported for that file. So each class will have a file, so you just select and then you can import. All you can send at Schoolpesa and then we can import for you your data so that you can not do any mistake. So we are going to just add a student for now, one student, and then that's why we are going to use a form. If there are many students, you can click this button and import. So I'm going to say this is I'm going to give the student an admission number. Since this is a demo school, so I'm going to give the student ABBSS and TBSS. So I'm going to say ABBSS 001. Then I will select a class S2A. Then I will say the first name of this student is going to be called which name can we give the student? I'm going to call him, the first name will be Hilary, and then the last name will be Chitio Hilary. Yes, so I will give the gender male. Yes, I think that those are the compulsory fields that are needed, but to make it look good, let us attach a photo for Chitio Hilary. Let me give Chitio Hilary this photo. Yes, and then I'll save. So I'm done saving the student, and then yes, so let us check if the student was added. The student is called Chitio, so let me search for Chitio. When I search for Chitio, I can see na Chitio and Hilary Chitio. So when I click Hilary Chitio, the student information is going to come. As you see, admission number, class, section. Yes, I think that is it, how to add a student. If you want to edit this student, maybe the name was wrong, it is a double L, then I can just click here, then I can edit the student from here and I put a single L, maybe Hilary was double L, then I can save. So it saves faster. Let me see if that was saved. I will just click S2A, since Hilary is in S2A. Then it will populate the students. As you see, the student name has changed from here. So I think that covers what we wanted to achieve, how to add a student. And thank you. So in our next tutorial, we are going to cover on how to add a staff to the system. See you there. Thank you and bye.